first of all, huge congratulations to you guys. Well deserved this award, Innovator of the Year for Digital Driver. And I just want to kind of tease out why you guys are an obvious choice for this and the efforts that you guys are making in terms of innovation in this area. So, first question is, how does ICE provide excellent service and stand out from competitors? Take it away.
Well, I think the journey of how we stand out is really an internal journey. We understand there are competition in the market, but we're really focused on what we could do for our customers. And it kind of leads to working with our customers directly. We're totally committed to being out there with our customers to define their strategy as it pertains to how they succeed in the market. And I use the word strategy. I think there are a lot of technology vendors that talk about roadmaps and, well, here's what we're going to do with our roadmap. And a roadmap is an internal goal that you have as a company. It's not what you use to strategize with lenders. So we really try to get out on the road and see our clients, visit with our clients, and we try to talk about the world from their perspective. What is their game plan for how they want to drive their business and how we fit in as a technology provider? So I think first and foremost, how we excel with our clients in terms of innovation is just being close to them and understanding what their game plan is with the market. We really want to embrace that digital journey, but it starts with how our customers consume our technology, how they leverage that technology to grow their business. It's great to create cool technology, but unless you have a mind's eye on what the customer needs, what the lender needs to be successful, you're just creating cool tech. So we really start with the customer journey and what their game plan is to be successful in the market.
Absolutely. Awesome. Well, that leads me, I think, into this next one pretty naturally, and that is, what are some real world results you guys see from implementing your solutions with your customers?
Well, I'm going to start with the idea of we can create a lot of good tech, and we could talk about all the different things that technology does for the industry and our lenders. But I think that really the proof is how that tech reduce costs, what the return on an investment is. So we spend a lot of time, we do two things. We do a cost of origination study with our lenders. We'll go out and we'll talk to lenders about how their business breaks down, not just about how they use our technology, but how their business actually breaks down. And we'll look at the true cost of originating a loan. And one of the things we've shown consistently year over year is that we're about $1,000 lower than our competitors in terms of the full digital experience and how we lower the cost for our lenders. And we translate that back to an ROI. So every one of our products that we introduce to the market has some sort of ROI tied to it, whether it's the data and document automation or analyzers, Encompass. We really try to break it down from the standpoint of it's great to invest, but we want that investment to mean something to our lenders. We want it to translate into a true return on investment. And so as we go out and we look at efficiencies throughout the process, we try to focus in our technologies on what we can do to improve, how we can take days off the loan cycle, how we can make more people efficient in the jobs they do so that those costs are lowered. Now more than ever, that's especially true. We want to make sure that our customers are leveraging our tech, but they're leveraging it for a reason, whether it's evolving HELOC or whether it's automating the back end data and document recognition. We want to make sure it ties to an efficiency gain that leads to hopefully lowering costs for those lenders so that their margins are improved. I think, I'm trying to remember what the current number was. I remember the end of Q2, I think the number was a little over $12,000, according to the MBA, to originate a loan. We want to provide our lenders with technology that allow them to reduce that cost, lower that cost exponentially so that they can be more successful and are here long-term to provide great value to their customers, the borrower.
Excellent. You basically answered my next question, which was going to be, what are some traditional barriers that your products overcome? But you've just listed off a handful. Do you have any to add to that you would say in terms of efficiency and lowering costs?
No, I think it really comes down to time. One of the studies we did, for every day that you have on the origination cycle, it's about $40 in true cost to a lender. Every day you add on the closing cycle, it's about $62. So it's a little over $100 just by adding a day here and there to the cycle that could be reduced. And so we try to measure our success with our products by understanding the real world impact to a lender. Many lenders today are adopting and looking at different digital front end solutions. And we're trying to look holistically. What's that whole manufacturing process? And are there ways that we can reduce time here and there, whether it's with remote online notarization, whether it's an origination or leveraging the analyzer tools. Our goal at the end of the day is to be a great partner to our lenders, and we really view time and money as that equation that we have to play in here. There's going to be a cost to every technology solution out in the market, but if we can equate our value to the time that we're able to reduce off the origination cycle, off that whole manufacturing of a loan, then we've added hopefully more value than the money that our lenders are paying us for our technology.
Absolutely. Final question here. What advice would you give to other fintechs seeking to innovate kind of in a similar way?
Well, I think that the biggest thing I've been with Ellie Mae and now ICE for 24 years. And the greatest lesson I ever learned was from the founder of Ellie Mae, Sig Anderman. And he talked about the innovator's goal is to provide Nordstrom level service to the customers that you're trying to win over. So the idea that you could bring an old car tire in Nordstrom's and they would find a way to return it for you because that's the level of service that they provided or do provide. And I think that's at the DNA of ICE is we really want to be close to our customers. And I think any innovator that's trying to change the market paradigm, it all starts with the customer. You could have PhDs in engineering that are working for you that are creating amazing things from just a pure technology standpoint. But if you don't start with the customer and their needs, you're never going to be successful, especially in this industry. It's such an industry that's tied to the customer journey, both on the borrower side and on the lender side, that you really have to understand in depth where the pain points are and then where you can provide value. And I think we've provided value over the years because we've understood that customer journey. And everything we've done has been about making that customer more successful. That's why we have 3,200 lenders that we count as customers because we're able to understand their pain and deliver value, continually deliver value in our innovation. We love innovating, but it's all about that customer journey and all about that customer value.
I love it. And obviously this is not lip service for you guys, because like you said, the proof is in the pudding, and you can tell people can talk about customer all day long, but you got to show it. And you guys have shown it really, really well. So anyway, kudos to ICE on that. And obviously I think that's one of the reasons that you guys are getting this award. So congrats again. And thanks so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Appreciate it.
Can't wait to see what else ICE has got in store. So you guys keep moving ahead, keep innovating, and thanks again.